Have you ever wondered who really owns a bank as old and established as Lloyd's? You might think it's a simple answer, but the reality is far more intricate than just a single person or entity. For centuries, banks like Lloyd's have been pillars of the financial landscape, their names synonymous with stability and tradition. But in today's globalized economy, the ownership structures of even the most venerable institutions have evolved significantly. It's a fascinating journey that takes us from historic family ownership to the complexities of the modern stock market. Lloyds Bank, or more accurately, Lloyds Banking Group, is a publicly traded company. What does that mean exactly? It means that its ownership is distributed among countless individuals and institutions who buy and sell its shares on stock exchanges like the London Stock Exchange and the New York Stock Exchange. So, there isn't one singular owner in the traditional sense, like a sole proprietor. Instead, ownership is fragmented across a vast array of shareholders. Think of it like a giant puzzle, where each shareholder holds a small piece. These pieces, or shares, represent a tiny slice of ownership in the company. When you buy shares in Lloyds Banking Group, you become one of its owners, albeit a very small one in most cases. This distributed ownership model is common for most large corporations around the world, allowing them to raise capital from a wide investor base. So, while you won't find a single name on a deed saying Lloyds Bank belongs to, we can delve into who holds the largest pieces of that ownership puzzle. These are the major institutional investors, the massive investment firms, pension funds, and asset managers that control vast sums of money on behalf of their clients. Looking at the top of that list, we find names like BlackRock, the Vanguard Group, and Nuggs Bank Investment Management. These aren't just obscure financial entities, they are some of the world's largest asset managers, investing on behalf of millions of people through various funds and portfolios. For instance, if you have a pension fund or an investment account, there's a good chance some of your money is indirectly invested in companies like Lloyd's, managed by these very institutions. These institutional investors hold significant stakes, often many billions of shares, making them the most influential voices in the company's direction. They attend shareholder meetings, vote on key decisions, and can even influence the appointment of board members. Their investment decisions are driven by a combination of factors, including the bank's financial performance, its long-term strategy, and the broader economic outlook. Beyond these giants, a substantial portion of Lloyds Banking Group is also owned by smaller institutional investors and, crucially, by individual retail investors like you and me. Anyone with a brokerage account can purchase shares and become a part owner. This democratic aspect of public ownership allows ordinary people to participate in the success of large companies. It's also worth noting that while the UK government held a significant stake in Lloyds Banking Group following the 2008 financial crisis, that stake has since been sold off. This means that, unlike in the immediate aftermath of the crisis, the UK government is no longer a major shareholder in Lloyds. In essence, Lloyds Bank is owned by its diverse group of shareholders, ranging from global investment behemoths to everyday individuals. This complex web of ownership is a testament to the modern financial system, where capital is raised and distributed across a vast, interconnected network. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.